Speed of the pencils, round 1. Let's fly on into it. Artwork fly.
Artwork fly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and in this video here we're going to play some art challenges. So today I have my sisters and my mom. This is Crystal, Kayan, and Mommy for you guys and for me. And we are going to play some art games. We are going to do the challenge, Speed of the Pencils, round 1. In this challenge, the contestants are going to randomly select a piece of paper with the name of the image that they should draw. It is going to be a 30 seconds drawing. The best drawing wins. So let's begin. Alright, so right now I have the papers in my hand and they're going to choose what they're going to draw. So I'm going to put it on the table here, and each contestant is going to select one that they're going to draw. Hey. So in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. What did you get, Crystal? A lizard. A lizard. What did you get, Ken? An ant. What did you get, Mom? Yeah. Alright, so those are what they're going to draw on the paper, and they have 30 seconds. Don't start as yet. I will tell you when to start. Get your pencils in hand and your erasers close by, and you have 30 seconds. I will tell you when to start. Let me put the timer on. Start. Stop. Alright, so let me see your lizard, Crystal. Alright, bring it up closer to the camera. So that is Crystal's lizard. What did you get, Kian? What? Weird. Wait, I want to get my granny in the camera. Alright, so this is Ken's aunt. Alright. What did you get, Mom? I don't know. You don't know anything. Cat. And Mom got a cat. So I am going to let you guys select the winner. So what you're going to do for me, you are going to comment down below in the comment section and tell me who is the winner for this round. So we have 2 parts to this round, so they're going to be given another chance to do it quickly.
Yeah, but me never know. The only thing could have come to me as an answer. Yeah, no, it's funny. And I said that job would do one because it was going good.
You look like that job.
Yeah, Crystal, and I want to not going good. But for me, I don't know the hell.
Alright guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed that video and I will see you in the next one. Please ensure to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I post another video just like this one. I will see you in the next one. Artwork Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.